You want to know what motivates me to make Israel part of my life at school? I'll give you a few reasons. To start off, the strong foundation that I got from the positive memories associated with learning about Israel at Camp Judea. I couldn't have gone straight from high school to college, so I made a quick stop for 9 months in Israel with Young Judea Year Course. I learned about Israel's diversity in Arad, where my friend Ben Gurion made the desert blue. I got to cheer for Hapoel Yerushalayim at some basketball games in Jerusalem. And finally, I made it up to the beautiful city of Bat Yam. In Tel Aviv, I visited my favorite shawarma place, and I went to Independence Hall, where Herzl's dreams finally came true. That's you, big guy. I made it up to a school in Haifa, and eventually, I made it back to Camp Judea, where I hung out with all of the Mishlachat. When I got to campus, how could I not want to make Israel part of my life? I've hosted events like Ask Me Why I Love Israel and Israel Fest to celebrate the diversity and culture of our homeland. Especially at a time where Israel is singled out for its imperfections more than any other country in the world, it's crucial to stand up for what we believe in and show people why Israel is such an amazing country. This week, some students put up an apartheid wall outside of the University Center on campus to try to convince students that Israel is an apartheid state. We responded by putting up our very own truth wall to teach the student body some of the truths about Israel. I also planned and hosted many events this week to rally support and solidarity from the student body for Israel and to teach uninformed people the reality about what's going on in Israel. Last spring, I walked into my house one day to find 5 friends bashing Israel over their treatment of African refugees. I sat them down at the kitchen table and explained to them that while Israel isn't perfect, there are 2 sides to every story, and Israel has an obligation to protect its own citizens. This was just one of many conversations that I facilitated on campus to teach people about Israel and to help pro-Israel students answer the tough questions. Hopefully now you understand why I've made Israel such a big part of my life on campus.